Welcome to our channel. If you have received a new Regions Bank debit or credit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate it and start using it immediately. Step 1. Locate the activation information included with your new Regions card, which provides phone numbers or website instructions for activation. Step 2. For phone activation, call the toll-free number provided with your card and follow the automated prompts to activate. Step 3. For online activation, visit regions.com and log in to your online banking account using your user ID and password. Step 4. Navigate to the Cards or Card Services section from the account menu. Step 5. Select the option to activate your new card and enter the required information, including the 16-digit card number and CVV security code. Step 6. Verify your identity by providing personal information such as date of birth, social security number, or answering security questions. Step 7. Confirm the activation and wait for a confirmation message that your card is now active and ready to use. Step 8. For debit cards, you may be prompted to create a PIN for ATM withdrawals and point-of-sale transactions. Test your card with a small purchase to ensure it works properly and sign the back of the card immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.